Welcome to Learning Without Scars. Everything we do starts with a specific job function skills assessment. This allows us to have a strong understanding of the skills and knowledge of each individual employee. We are one of the very few businesses in our industry that provide this level of job function assessment. We do this so that we can design an extremely specific learning pathway for the unique skills and knowledge of each employee. At Learning Without Scars, we never want to forget that the perceptions that the customer has about the level of service they receive from a supplier come from the skilled people doing the work that is required for the customer. Each of our job function skills assessments consists of 96 multiple choice questions that cover all aspects of the job function involved. We can then use leading edge educational learning criteria to set up an individualized program for each employee. This is true across the parts and supply business, the repair, rebuilds, and maintenance business, all aspects of sales and marketing, along with all roles within those departments. Currently, we cover 6 specific job functions within the parts and supply business: the telephone and counter sales function, office support function, warehouse function, inventory management, purchasing and expediting, and the leadership function, covering management and supervision. Further, we covered 6 specific job functions within the service, repair, rebuild, and maintenance business: the foreman or supervisor, the service office support function, inspectors, technical communicators, and the leadership functions, covering management and supervision. We also offer specific skills assessments for technicians. Our construction industry technician assessment is unique in that it is brand independent. Similarly, our rental industry technician assessment applies exclusively to those companies that are solely in the rental business or operating departments within a dealership that perform rent-to-rent functions. These technician assessments cover 4 areas of the operations of equipment: the engine, the powertrain, hydraulics, and electrical. Each of these 4 areas has 45 multiple choice questions to be answered. The technician assessments cover 180 multiple choice questions. They are very comprehensive. In the selling area, we covered the principles of selling, the sales associate, the administrators within the selling function, the selling analysts, as well as the leadership programs covering management and supervision. In marketing, we cover marketing administration, social media marketing, customer relationship analysis, market coverage analyst, and the leadership functions covering management and supervision. In the more than 40 years we have been performing these educational programs, we have had over 25,000 students involved around the globe. This has allowed us to be able to create subject-specific classes for each of the job functions for which we have assessments. The only exception is the training of technicians. We leave that up to the specific manufacturers of equipment and the technical schools that provide this training across multiple brands. The time is now.